Hey you guys, this is a video that's going to be about these heart-shaped braids. It was really difficult to record this video, so the angles that I'm doing right now are going to be, I'm going to kind of be in the way a little bit. I tried my absolute best to not get in the way of most of the shots, but it was really difficult trying to do these heart-shaped braids because you have to kind of be at an angle to braid the heart up and then down into like a, you know, the side of it. So you'll see exactly what I'm talking about, but I really did have to invade my client's space trying to do this style just because when you're trying to do like a design, it's hard to do it from the back when things are going up. Some of the braid is going down. So in most of the shots, I'm kind of in the way, but I try my absolute best to get good angles. And it's really hard to see how I stitch just because gripping the stitch into the braid is difficult to show when you're trying to keep a good grip on it so that it doesn't come loose or look loose. I didn't start off from the very beginning, but when you want to start off doing a heart, you want to make sure that you get your square first. Then you want to part it down the middle so that each side of the heart is like a section. And then you're going to want to do like a diagonal line going up so that you can work on the top of the heart, and then the piece that I have on the bottom will be the bottom of the heart, and then you'll connect both of those pieces at the bottom at the end. I be popping man, stops in Frisco. All you gotta say is miss it go. And when you say go, I won't move slow, move slow. I was looking for affection, so I decided to go. Swing it in my direction, I'll be out of control. Let's take it to perfection, just you and me. Let's see if we can bring the nasty out of me. Suck it, suck it to me, lock it to me, I can take it like a pro, you know. Do a long throw, backstroke. Fall asleep, it'll just be me on a late night read. I'ma show you things that you can't believe. Jump in this BED, and when you suck it to me, suck it to me, suck it to me, suck it to me, I can take it like a no, do a long throw, backstroke, my hormones jumping like a disco. Poppin' mess up some Crisco. All you gotta say is miss it go. But when you say go, I won't move slow. Ooh, suck it to me like you want to. Ooh, I can take it like a pro, you know. Do a long throw with the backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping ish like some Crisco. And all you gotta say is miss it go. And when you say go, I won't move slow. Suck it to me. To me, lock it to me too. I can take it like a pro, you know. Do a long throw with the backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping man, stops in Frisco. All you gotta say is miss it go. And when you say go, I won't move slow, move slow.
was looking for affection, so I decided to go swing it in my direction. I'll be out of control. Let's take it to perfection. Just you and me. Let's see if we can bring the nasty out of me. Suck it, ooh, suck it to me, lock it to me, ooh, I can take it like a pro, you know, do a long throw, backstroke, my hormones jumping like a disco, I be popping mess like some Crisco, all you gotta say is miss it go, and when you say go, I won't move slow, I'm at your house around midnight, don't fall asleep, it'll just be me, on a late night read. I'ma show you things that you can't believe. Jump in this BED, and when you suck it to me, suck it to me, suck it to me, suck it to me, suck it to me. I can take it, I can take it,
So you can see right here how I made a square and then I parted it in half. One side of the heart is done and now I'm going to do the other side. So I'm going to basically make a diagonal line going down so that I'm parting the heart on one side into two pieces. You're going to want to work on the piece on the top first and then connect it at the bottom.
My hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping ish like some Crisco. And all you gotta say is physical. And when you say go, I won't move slow. Suck it to me. Suck it to me, lock it to me. I can take it like a pro, you know. Do a long throw with the backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping mess like some Crisco. All you gotta say is miss it go. And when you say go, I won't move slow, move slow.
Okay, and when you're working on doing a braid up at the front, since hair is mostly not thinner, but you know, more vellus up at the front, you're gonna want to add more hair when you're doing like the perimeter of something or at the edge of the head.
I'll be out of control. Let's take it to perfection. Just you and me. Let's see if we can bring the nasty out of me. Suck it, suck it to me, lock it to me, I can take it like a pro, you know. Do a long throw, backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping mess like some Crisco. All you gotta say is miss it go. And when you say go, I won't move slow. I'm at your house around midnight. Don't fall asleep. It'll just be me, on a late night read. I'ma show you things that you can't believe. Jump in this BED, and when you suck it to me, suck it to me, suck it to me, suck it to me, suck it to me. I can take it, I can take it, you know. Do a long throw, backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping mess like some Crisco. All you gotta say is miss it go. But when you say go, I won't move slow. Ooh, suck it to me like you want to. Ooh, I can take it like a pro, you know. Do a long throw with the backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping ish like some Crisco. And all you gotta say is miss it go. And when you say go, I won't move slow. Suck it to me. Ooh, suck it to me, lock it to me. I can take it like a pro, you know. Do a long throw with the backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping mess like some Crisco. All you gotta say is miss it go. And when you say go, I won't move slow, move slow. was looking for affection, so I decided to go. Swing it in my direction. I'll be out of control. Let's take it to perfection. Just you and me. Let's see if we can bring the nasty out of me. Suck it, suck it to me, lock it to me too. I can take it like a pro, you know. Do a long throw, backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping mess like some Crisco. All you gotta say is physical. But when you say go, I won't move slow. I'm at your house around midnight. Don't fall asleep. It'll just be me on a late night read. I'ma show you things that you can't believe. Jump in this BED. And when you suck it to me, suck it to me. Suck it to me, lock it to me. Suck it to me. I can take it like a pro, you know. Do a long throw, backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping mess like some Crisco. All you gotta say is physical. But when you say go, I won't move slow. To me like you want to, I can take it like a pro, you know. Do a long throw with the backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping ish like some Crisco. And all you gotta say is physical. And when you say go, I won't move slow. Suck it to me, suck it to me, lock it to me.
Even if your hearts are not all the same size, you want to try to make sure that you make each square at least the same size.
Poppin' mess like some Crisco. All you gotta say is physical. But when you say go, I won't move slow, move slow. I was looking for affection, so I decided to go. Swing it in my direction. I'll be out of control. Let's take it to perfection. Just you and me. Let's see if we can bring the nasty out of me. Suck it, suck it to me, lock it to me too. I can take it like a pro, you know. Do a long throw, backstroke. All you gotta say is physical. But when you say go, I won't move slow. I'm at your house around midnight. Don't fall asleep. It'll just be me on a late night read. I'ma show you things that you can't believe. Jump in this BED. And when you suck it to me, suck it to me. Suck it to me, lock it to me. I can take it like a pro, you know. Do a long throw, backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping mess like some Crisco. All you gotta say is physical. But when you say go, I won't move slow. Suck it to me like you want to. I can take it like a pro, you know. Do a long throw with the backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping ish like some Crisco. And all you gotta say is physical. And when you say go, I won't move slow. Suck it to me. Suck it to me, lock it to me too. I can take it like a pro, you know. Do a long throw with the backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping mess like some Crisco. All you gotta say is physical. And when you say go, I won't move slow, move slow. I was looking for affection, so I decided to go. Swing it in my direction. I'll be out of control. Let's take it to perfection. Just you and me. Let's see if we can bring the nasty out of me. Suck it, ooh, suck it to me, lock it to me, ooh, I can take it like a pro, you know, do a long throw, backstroke, my hormones jumping like a disco, I be popping mess like some Crisco, all you gotta say is miss it go, and when you say go, I won't move slow, I'm at your house around midnight, don't fall asleep, it'll just be me, on a late night read. I'ma show you things that you can't believe. Jump in this BED, and when you suck it to me, suck it to me, suck it to me, suck it to me, suck it to me. I can take it like you know, do a long throw, backstroke, my hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping mess like some Crisco. All you gotta say is miss it go, and when you say go, I won't move slow. Sock it to me like you want to, ooh. I can take it like a pro, you know. Do a long throw with the backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping ish like some Crisco. And all you gotta say is miss it go. And when you say go, I won't move slow. Sock it to me, ooh, sock it to me, lock it to me too, ooh. I can take it like a pro, you know. Do a long throw with the backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping mess like some Crisco. All you gotta say is miss it go. And when you say go, I won't move slow, move slow. I was looking for affection, so I decided to go. Swing it in my direction. I'll be out of control. Let's take it to perfection. Just you and me. Let's see if we can bring the nasty out of me. Suck it, ooh, suck it to me, lock it to me, ooh, I can take it like a pro, you know, do a long throw, backstroke, my hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping mess like some Crisco. All you gotta say is miss it go, and when you say go, I won't move slow. I'm at your house around midnight. Don't fall asleep. It'll just be me on a late night read. I'ma show you things that you can't believe. Jump in.